For this question, it's relatively straightforward. I know there's only two answers, so you could just guess until you get it right. But let's just do it so you get it right the first time. This table does determine whether this table represents a probability distribution. Alright, so to do this, we need to know what the probability distribution, what the requirements are. So let me do this with a text box. It'll be easier for me to type. Alright, so text box. Okay, so probability distribution requires, a valid one, requires a couple conditions. Number one, all the probabilities must sum to 1. Number two, I should probably make that. Okay, and number two, all probabilities must be greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 1. So in other words, probability can't be less than 0 and the probability can't be greater than 1. Alright, so let's see if this one works. So I'm going to highlight this. Put this in red fonts. Okay. And then let's do the calculator. So on the calculator here, I want to add up everything. Let me make sure I got everything cleared out. So I got to add up this column. So in order for this to work, this is the only column I'm worried about right now. And I want to add up all those numbers to see if they add up to 1. If they add up to anything but 1, then we're in trouble. Okay, so let's type these numbers in. 0.2 plus 0.2 plus 0.15 plus 0.5 equals. Alright, so the sum of this box is, or these probabilities, is 1.05. So sum equals 1.05. Remember that the sum must be equal to 1. So this is not a probability distribution.